from Australia brings a colorful performance. The Promise Factory, directed by Miss Raya, talent, Ainaya, Hanaya, Miladia, and Tisa.
The people dream of having a leader who is intelligent, fair, and trustworthy. They elect a new leader named Maya. She arrives with confidence, big ideas, and many exciting promises. Everyone hopes their future will become brighter.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Village News Live! Today we have a brand new leader. Who is it? Please welcome leader Maya!
Oke gas, umur dua orang gas. Abrak-abrak masuk, perkampung abrak masuk. Tahu cara pandang, bosan bikin ngamuk. Ciptakan diri cantik, sempat hilang tapi tak sedih. Memang kalau laku unik, abang bersaing silakan panik. Ya, oke gas, tambah dua orang gas.
Thank you, my beloved citizen. Today, I have a wonderful news. No one in this village will ever feel hungry again. Because you will have a free nutritious meal and then a big village cooperative. Everything will be amazing and smooth like a toll road. Wow, that's incredible. Excuse me, leader? Yes? Can I ask something? Of course, I love questions. What's your plan? Simple. First, I took a selfie and then I post it in internet. Astagfirullahaladzim, kamu ini berdosa banget. It's been a month already. Where's the meal programs? Almost ready. The kitchen? Almost ready. The cooks? Almost ready. The food? Still? Almost ready. Leader, how many times have you said almost?
almost ready.
I stopped counting.
Bohong.
A promise with an accent is like an empty landscape. It looks nice, but nobody will eat it. Welcome everyone. Today is our big day. Our big village cooperative is finally open. Amazing! What do you sell? Drink? Food? Not yet. Eggs? Soon. Vegetables? Coming soon. Chicken? Next update. Leader, planning is important, but preparation is more important. Persistence means.
Yeah.
Persistence means working every day, not announcing every day. Lina Maya, people have many questions. Are you ready? Always. Question number one. If there are 10 hungry children and only 5 meals, what will you do? A simple question, isn't it? Of course, I'll make something first, and then I'll post it internet. Oh. Wow, find more food. Wow, find more food. Share family. Justice means everyone matters. Question. Question number two. What makes a good leader? Good speeches? Yes. Oh, good slogans? Absolutely. Oh, good posters? Of course. No, a good leader keeps promises, listens to people, and solve problems. Leader Maya, people are leaving comments. Comment number one. Promises fill empty stomachs. Comment number two.
Less talking, more action. Comment number 3. A great leader listen before speaking.
That night, Maya thinks deeply about everything she hears. The next morning, she returns not to make more promises, but to take responsibility.
Today, I learned something. Leadership isn't about being famous. It's about how we serving people. It's okay to make a mistake, but it's not okay to ignore them. From today on, I will stop making empty promises. I will work harder. I will listen more. And I will keep my words. That is persistence. That is justice.
And that's just what it is. Together, they build a better future.
A great leader doesn't